Hello, everyone. This is Kevin. I hope everyone is doing well. I wanted to start a small series of videos to sort of assist folks when they're evaluating our solutions. And some of these are going to be pretty generic. This is a good example. And they should apply to most SDM software solutions that you're evaluating. So, first off, it's important to understand some of the implications of your evaluation. If you go to our website and download a piece of software, whether it's the Group Policy Automation Engine or the Group Policy Compliance Manager or the Group Policy Reporting Pack, it does it regardless of what it is. There is a trial license built in. So when you simply install the product, there's functionality and capability available to you to test it out, to kick the tires. And that trial capability is limited in functionality. It's not going to expose the full capabilities of the product. If you have a need to explore the broader capabilities of the product during your evaluation, let us know. And what we will do is we will provide you a trial key or an evaluation license, an eval license, and that eval license will be time bound, but will open all the functionality in the product. So we typically like to give people 3 days to evaluate certain solutions, and that may not seem like a lot of time, but it actually is. So you download the product, you get it installed, you kick the tires on the trial, you start to understand what you're going to accomplish. You contact us for a key, and then when you import the key, the time that you import the key, not when we send it to you, but when you import it, we're going to start counting. So that's when the time starts. So 3 days to be able to walk through the core scenarios that you're interested in is typically pretty good. So let's look at what this looks like. For each one of our products, I'm sitting on a Server 2012 box right now, but you'll be able to figure out where these land. For each one of our products, you'll see these activate utilities that are placed on the system. And that's how you're going to essentially import the license. Whether it's a production license or an eval key that we send you, it's going to be the same experience. So I'm going to choose Group Policy Automation Engine. We just updated the version of this to 4.0. To support managing Unix settings through Dell Authentication Services with automation, which is awesome. The tool itself, or the utility, is pretty simple. It's just a text box giving you the ability to paste information. We're going to send you a key in a text file, and that key is really just this goo here. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy that data, and then you're going to simply paste it right into this text box. Control C, Control V, they are your friends. And that's it. Once I submit this, I get a little confirmation the installation has been completed for the license. You're going to validate it by starting the product. And of course, depending on the product, you're going to launch it differently. So, important to understand, right on the download and the install, you get a limited functionality trial key. If you need a full functionality evaluation, ask us and we will supply you with a eval license, and you're going to import that by pasting the contents of the license that we send you into the activator tool that you will find on your system after the install. Pretty straightforward, and if you have any questions, by all means let us know. You can reach me at kevin@sdmsoftware.com, and we are happy to chat. Anyway, hope everyone is having a great week, and look forward to hearing from you soon.